Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to customize our accessibility button in Samsung Galaxy S22. Our accessibility button is right here. How to customize it, how to change it, and where to find its options. So we need to go to settings, then in accessibility options we have advanced settings, and here we have our accessibility button. We can change a few things here. First of all, we can select what actions and functions we can have under this button. And we can choose this option right here, as you can see. So the look of our button also can be customized. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.